Hi, it's Julie. Welcome to my channel. I am Scrap and Happy. So last week, or maybe even 10 days ago, I made this really pretty cover out of I've already covered it, out of a padded envelope. I got the idea from Heather at the official Heather Wilkerson YouTube channel, and I will link her. And it's just fabric scraps, and then put little pieces of trim and ribbon and things on some of the seams, and then sewed it, which if you saw that video, I broke 2 needles because I am so full of skill. Anyway, I wanted originally, and I think I'm still going to do this. April at Pink Oddbird has a challenge going on in March, which mine will roll into April because, you know, that's how I roll, called Collect Your Junk. And she's making a real life junk journal out of just nothing but junk. And, you know, I'm watching her, and it's a series of videos that she's doing, and it looks amazing. Mine is going to look like junk. I just don't understand how some people can be so talented. But I'm going to do it. So here we go. This is going to be my cover. And I have a bunch of I don't know what you call it. I guess the paper that comes in packages. It's just really nice. And I saved it, of course, because, you know, that's what we do. But I've cut it down to almost the correct size, and now I'm going in and cleaning it up. I used one of these because I watched Dear Julie a few months ago. She was showing us how to cut wrapping paper into 8.5 by 11s, and she used one of these. I was like, oh, hers was bigger, but I got this at the Dollar Tree. So it's like 8 inches by 12, looks like. And so it worked. I mean, I just had to use a little creativity. And then I used my glass mat underneath because I needed 14 inches. My cover is 15 inches by, I want to say 11. Yeah, 15 by 11. So I folded my paper in half. This, oh my gosh, did I cut it? Did I cut it? No, that's right. So I cut it to be 14 so that when I fold it in half, it's 7. And then that will give me like a 1/2 inch on each side, because, you know, stuff is going to stick out. And then there's that fun creep that we all love so much. So it'll be fine. And then the other direction is 11. Not quite, because that way if things are uneven, then or some papers are longer, it'll still fit across the top. So that's what I'm working on right now, and I have already gone in and cut all the pages, the number of pages I wanted, into, these are a little more than 14, so I may trim that down. So let's just say 14 by 12.5. So I'm going to have to cut some down that way too. And I'm just using my paper trimmer because I'm not one of those people. I watch these people and they get their scissors and they just cut it and it's perfect. No. I am skill free, so I'm using that trimmer. But because it's too big this way, all I did was just fold it over and it worked just fine. And I was able to trim it. So I'm going to get my pages ready, cut them all down and then see what we can come up with. So, okay, you're about to watch some genius here. All right, this is, no, this isn't the genius part. The genius is the other side. All right, so I need this to be, yeah, that's me thinking. Did you hear it? Okay, I'm going to pause you because I've got to think and I don't want to embarrass myself. Yeah, okay, I think I figured it out. If not, there's always editing, right? So, I need to cut this to be, well, I already forgot. Okay, we're going to try again. Alright, this direction needs to be 11. So I had to fold it over because it's like 14 or so. It wouldn't fit. So I'm putting it here at the 11 and I'm going to cut it here. And then that's going to make my page 14 this way and 11 this way, which is what I need. But I'm also going to straighten up this little edge. I could do that with scissors though, because you know I got skills. Okay. Alright, so now that I've dazzled you with my brilliance, I am going to, I think I've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these big old pages. That will give me 20. Let's see. Yeah, I'm not, yeah, never mind. It is so early. Well, it's not really that early in the day, but my brain, it's really early for my brain. So, this needs to be 14 here. And then this one needs to be 11. I'm just going to fold it where it fits in. And we'll see. We'll see. I think I just did that backwards, but so anyway, I thought it would be fun, maybe more fun for me than you, but just to do some craft-alongs, because, you know, we're kind of, most of us are stuck in the house with not a lot to do, and I thought we could just kind of hang out. Because, you know, my husband does not want to play. He does not want to hang out with me, and that's okay. I don't usually want to hang out with him either, but he does know. He does know what junk is, and he does save me pieces of ephemera that are really cool. Okay, so this is 14, and this is 11. Yay! But I didn't cut it on the right piece because I didn't cut my fold. So I'm going to just do that again. Cut right on the edge and get that fold off of there so that it won't be, it'll be single sheets. Okay, so here's some more. Alright, I'm going to do this other one where y'all don't have to cringe and watch me. So, I'll be right back. Alright, so I've got all my pages in. I've got them to fit. And there is 40. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, so there would be 40 pages. which is not very big. I can definitely add stuff in, but that's what I have so far. And I also, speaking of Heather Wilkerson, she has a kit called For the Love of Bunnies, and it's so cute and springy, and I thought this cover was pretty springy, so I wanted to incorporate these pages in, as well as some other bunny, Easter, spring stuff. My granddaughter's birthday, she'll turn 1 actually on Easter weekend, so I'm thinking, you know what I'm thinking, right? This might be a fabulous little first, no, it's not her first Easter, first birthday, or, you know, whatever, first spring or whatever for her. I still am not sure, but look, this is perfect. The colors are great. It is a little small. I'll have to put it on, you know, something, and then put it on. But that's, I mean, we layer all the time, right? But let me just show you these real quick. These are the ephemera, and that's a pocket. And then we have 2 postcards. He's so cute. We have tags. And, oh, okay, I guess these were just journaling cards. These are the postcards. And then some more ephemera. And then I killed it. It got crunched up in my printer. But I'm going to smooth it out, maybe use it on a collage page or something. Because, you know, you don't ever want to waste, right? Here are the pages. Here are the upside down pages. Gorgeous. And my printer is supposed to print borderless. So is my old one. And since about November, I've been having nothing but trouble. I can't print borderless, and most of the time I can't even print. It just gives me an error, and I've had Geek Squad on the phone. I don't know how many times. I've even had Geek Squad out to the house. We even bought a new printer because, you know, and it does it on the new one too. So because I'm, you know, not the sharpest tack in the box, I just have no idea what to do. So I'm happy. I'll just cut these off. It took me about an hour to get these 6 pages of journal pages, and then 5 pages of ephemera printed. So yay. I didn't have anything else to do anyway, right? So, but look at her. It's so cute. So I thought this would be nice, just kind of to put in on some of the pages. And then I have a collection of Easter and spring and or holiday type ephemera in a box. So I'm going to get that out and kind of make it a, I'm not being true to, you know, the Collectio junk thing, but there will be junk. There will be junk. I'm a believer. I just thought it would also be cute with this cover to have these bright springy things. So, okay, I'm going to do some more thinking, and I won't make you watch because, you know, and then I will show you what I've come up with. Okay, so here's my Easter stuff. Look at this little napkin. There might be a Kleenex. No, it's a napkin. Let's see. Jelly beans. That is really cute. So you get 2 bunnies, but a ton of jelly beans. That'll be really cute. Decoupage on something. And that paper that's in the book, or that's going to be in the book, is great. Okay, I can't fold it back. Cute. I don't even know where I got most of this stuff. That's, I like that green dot paper too. And then some little stickers. No idea. Oh, look at them. They're, I like it. That's cute. An egg. A bunch of these. Where did I get this? I don't know, but it was originally $2.99, and it was 75 cents because it was damaged, and it was just the package that was damaged. Yeah, I got no problem with that. I'm going to tear it off anyway, right? So there's all colors, white. Okay, there's plain and sparkle and glittered of each. There's white and yellow and blue and pink. Cute. A little leftover on a sticker sheet. Cutie cutie. Those are cute. And I wouldn't use that in a regular journal or one I was gonna definitely put in my shop or anything because they're so thick. But I guess all babies do, but she loves looking at pictures of herself. Like she, I'll put up pictures or videos on my phone of her, for her, and it just really occupies her. And of course she's sitting there grinning the whole time because, she knows she's cute. I don't know what this is, but it was clipped together. It looks like an Easter egg shape, and an Easter egg shape, and an Easter egg shape. I don't know, what my plans were, but that's cute. Look at a little wooden bunny. I like that. It's also too small for standalone, but I don't have to put it on the cover. I could put it inside somewhere. No bunny like you. That's so cute. Look at that. Can you see it? And then some grass. Green glitter paper. But look at this. This is really cute. And they're not as thick of foam. They're a lot thinner than the stickers I was showing you. So this wouldn't be nearly as much of a problem inside a book. So there's a couple of bunnies. Put it all here where you can see better. A couple of bunnies. A bunny face. 2 of those. 3 of those. The carrot, which can't see, but there's a carrot. Some little eggs and little flowers. So cute. So that's going to get used. Yay. Okay, so I'm going in. I'm going to go work on some of this stuff. And I will be back to show you progress or whatever. I just was thinking it might be fun if we kind of hung out together. So, alright, y'all have a good day.